Hello viewers, welcome to learnshell.com. Today we are going to see about how to configure Apache to use custom error pages and URL redirection on CentOS 7.5. Apache is the most popular web server in the world. It is a well-supported, feature-rich and flexible. When designing your web pages, it's an often helpful to customize every piece of content that your users will see. Okay, now let us see how to configure Apache to use custom error pages and URL redirection on CentOS 7.5. Okay, now here first of all I am going to install the Apache. Run the following command. After install the Apache package, we need to start and enable the Apache service. Run the following command. Now I am going to configure the name is individual host. So first of all go to the HTML location. Here I am going to create the index.html file. Then save and quit the file. Then I am going to change the ownership and give execute permission. Run the following command. Then I am going to configure the name is individual host. So go to the configuration location. Here I am going to create the test.conf file by using Vim editor. Now change insert mode. Then add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then I am going to restart the Apache service. After restart the service, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am going to give the domain name. Now here name is virtual host has been successfully created. Then again go to the terminal. Okay, now let us see how to configure Apache URL redirection. So we need to open the test.conf file. Now change insert mode. Here we need to just add the following line: redirect slash. Then we have to give a redirect URL. Then save and quit the file. Then once we have to restart the Apache web server. Now open the browser. Now refresh the page. Now here Apache URL redirection successfully completed. Then switch to the terminal. Then I am going to show the how to configure Apache to use custom 404 error page. So we need to go to the document root. Now I am going to list out the directory. Here already I have downloaded the 403 and 404 error page images, and also I have to give the execute permission. Then I have to change the ownership. Open the configuration file by using Vim editor. Now change insert mode and command this line. Then here we have to add the following line: error document. Then we have to given a Apache syntax 404. Then we have to given a Apache 404 error page URL http colon one.com. Then save and quit the file. Then once we have to restart the Apache web server. Then once restart the Apache service, we have to open the browser. Here I am going to give the wrong URL. Now here 404 error page successfully configured. Then switch to the terminal. Then finally I am going to show the how to configure Apache 403 error page. So go to the document root. Here I am going to create the one directory by using mkdir command. Then we have to open the test.conf file. Now change the insert mode. Here we have to add the following line: error document, then 403 syntax, then we have to given a 403 URL, then we have to create the directory, give document root, then we have to given a allow override none, then I am going to given a secure IP localhost, then close the directory, then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart the Apache service. Then after restart the service, we have to open the browser. Here first of all I am going to give my local IP 127.0.0.1/test. Now here I can able to access the test directory. Then now I am going to give domain name. Then we have to give test directory. Now here Apache 403 error page successfully configured. Thus you have seen how to configure Apache to use custom error page and URL redirection on CentOS 7.5. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LinuxHelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.